Hi everybody, Planet Anna here. I've got another unboxing video here. This is the Paper Pen and Plan December box. It's just arrived this morning, so I haven't actually looked at any of it at all, so it's going to be another blind unboxing. I've seen a few wee sneak peeks on the Instagram and in the Facebook group, so I know a few little things, but mostly it's going to be a surprise. So we've got a lovely big note from Claire that's got some holiday messages and things and different things, so we'll have a proper read of that later on. And then again, it's beautifully wrapped in tissue paper. This is really good to keep as well. You can do all sorts of different things with tissue paper in your project, so always trying to open it carefully and then you can reuse that. Let's see. Right, we've got loads in here. Just do a check we're all on screen. Yes, we are. Okay, let's go. In the first little bag. Oh, here we go. So we've got this pom-pom braid, I think you would call it. I love this because you like to put it like along the side of pages if you're doing like a dashboard for a TN or a ring bound planner, or you can put it just across the scrapbooking page and just, yeah, so versatile. Love that. We've got a little clip, which is good. It's good for like taking photos and stuff. If you're trying to keep pages open, you can add things onto this. There's a cute little tassel, which I might add onto the clip actually. And then we've got a little envelope closed by a little clip. And what's in here? Try not to make a huge mess. Oh, some cute little wooden shapes. So we've got houses, mostly houses. Oh, like a little block of flats, some stars. Oh, these are really cute. So yeah, all sorts of things we could do with that. Put them away before I lose them all. And then next one. Oh, feels like a pen. And we've got I was going to say it's a jelly roll. It's the same brand, Sakura, but it's a glaze one. I've used a few of these types before. Nice, it's a kind of blue colour. Probably not the best example using it on the bag, but I'll give that a go later on some normal paper. Very nice. And then we've got a little charm. Get that out of the bag. Oh, that's really cute. A little acrylic hello charm on the little tag. That's again you can use for so many different things. And then now I think it said on that welcome page that there was some new packaging for these stencils. These are made by Jane Drake, who's one of the other creative team members. She's got a shop called Basement Studio. She's based in Luxembourg and she has a studio in her basement. And she's got some new packaging which is card and recyclable, which is obviously really good. Trying the war on plastic. And then this is a stars, or slightly wonky stars I think she called them, stencil. This is really good. Use that for so many different things. Good sizes. I just got that new impasto paint the other day, so I can try that out again with this. I did actually try it the other day. This feels chunky. What have we got? Ooh, something else in the bottom. That's the lollipop. Want to come out. So we've got the lollipop, yummy. And we've got a really cute little to-do list pad, 40 sheets. I'll try and open that up. Oh, cute, and it's got like a little see-through, okay, so it opens like that, and then you've got your little pad, and I assume they're sticky. Yep, I think they're sticky. So you can stick them wherever. I love a to-do list. They're like one of my favourite things, even just when I've got a day off. I'm like, right, what do I need to do today? And then I think the satisfaction of ticking you off is a real big motivator. And then we've got some sheets that are little daily plan sheets. These are again really good for a day off when you can, these have got the times down the side. On a day off, end up wasting half a day. So if you've set something for every hour. Oh, there's another chunky one. Let's see. This might be journal cards. Oh, there's loads in here. They're all cute, different little packages. So we've got some long, thin ones. I don't know if I can get these out. Yep. Ooh, drop them, smooth. We've got favourites. Love this. Today. Places to go. Things to do. These are great because I love a list. So these are ideal. Top 10. The best. This and that. So I could maybe bind these together into a little booklet. These would be good for a holiday, but who knows when we'll be doing any sort of holiday soon. But again, this again for December. Can make plans of things that we could do, even though the tiers we're in just now here in the UK, we're not able to do very much, but we can still make some plans and do things at home. Places to go, maybe. Not so much the supermarket. Work, home, repeat. But yeah, I love these. These are really cute. And then we've got some bigger ones. These are, I never forget what size these are, 6x4s maybe. And we've got, this is all about sort of being organised this month. So we've got some little push pins. Oh, this is like a little crossword type thing. Favourite, friend, fabulous, happy, cute. And we've got some arrows. Well, there's different patterns on the back of them all as well. We've got a blue and a green. I like a plain one because then you can build on top of it with different patterns. We've got some days of the week, orange on the back, and then I think that these just repeats. Yeah, it's also good to obviously have two of each because then you don't feel like, oh, I can't use that one because it's so nice, so I don't want to waste that print. Oh, that's got a cute graph on the back. Yeah, good selection there. And then we've got some more, I think are maybe the same size, maybe slightly bigger. I really like the way these are all sealed up in their little separate packet. So we've got, oh, this is about like the year, 1 year, 12 months, 52 weeks, make them count. In review, so we could do a review of the year, sort of looking back on how this year's been. Obviously it's been a bit of a tricky year for us all, but we've also had some really good times, so I might do that. Another kind of checklist. Every day I'm hustling, aren't we all? Little sentiments at the bottom. How we spend our time. What would that chunk be? Sleeping. And then we've got, oh, we've got some nice challenge pages. Just checking that we can see them all. And there's a bingo challenge. To see if you use them all, that's really good. Scavenger hunt. Grab your walking shoes, go on a hunt. Some journal prompts, anagrams. So there's all sorts of fun challenges. And then there's the little sketch to see what we can make with that. And then on through some stickers. Lots of different colours of alphas. I love an alpha sticker. I just like putting little titles on things. Some little pins, some little dates, cameras. And then we've got some big alphas and some days of the week. Really laugh. I think these are really good for just now, when even when you're not doing a huge amount of stuff, you can also document the little things that you've been doing at home. And then we've got the A4 papers. We've got the arrows and spots. The blue, is this green on the back? Was that what the other one was? Can't remember. Yep. Then we've got push pins and the graph. I really like that graph. Not sure what I'll use that for, but it's also good if you're a bit like me, not very good at spacing out your letters and things like that when you're putting titles on. This will be ideal because you've got nice lines there to space it for you. And then this is cute, days of the week, different colours, and orange on the back. And then we've got all those cute little sentiments and just a cardboard kind of colour on the back. So we've got a really good selection this month. I'm looking forward to using all these and seeing what everyone else makes with it. As always, if you'd like to subscribe to this box, you can get it on the website, which is www.paperpenandplan.com. I'll link that below. And you can also buy one-off boxes and all sorts of different things from the Etsy shop. Thanks all for watching.